When you make up your mind to be defined by a vision of the future, you're going to change your energy. And when you change your energy, you're going to change your life. We're creatures of habit. People get locked into a routine. When they're doing the routine, they're not present. It means that you got to change it up. People have to embody who they want to become. Walk as that person, breathe as that person, become the stars of their own movies. I challenge people to get beyond themselves. When you forget about everything that's known, you're moving into a very creative process. You're placing your attention and energy in that field of possibilities. That's where the magic happens. I'm very hopeful that we become a species of human beings connected to the earth, so creative, so overjoyful. We're wired to give. We're the happiest when we're taking care of one another, and that's what community is about.